Guys, good morning. March 5th, 2020, Thursday is going to be an awesome trading day. Very simple few trades. I'm going to break them down to you. Market is unable to clear the important 31.37 level despite of the 1,100 point advance higher. Man, this is some insane stuff, guys. 1,100 point move. Market cannot clear the next level. This is a sign of a crash that's going to happen in the next 72 hours. So we're expecting move 3 today. The question, it appears that we are just one day off of the historic analog back in 2008. So this 17% drop that we're talking about in detail yesterday could actually materialize over the next 48 to 72 hours. So crazy stuff. Buy puts at the open, add puts on any bounce, guys. We're heading for a crazy VIX environment. VIX could easily go to 60, 70, 80. Just as a reference point, VIX was all the way at like over 100, I think hitting like 150 during the 2008. So VIX has got an insane room to run, okay? Crazy, wild stuff is about to go down in the markets, guys. One of the crucial things to pay very close attention to is oil prices, OPEC meeting. If oil prices drop, guys, the bottom is going to fall out. Oil prices are going to the 20s, 28 to 34 level as indicated in yesterday's video. So with that said, though, expect a ton of stimulus headlines to surface. So use this. When anything comes out with stimulus, hey, we're going to send you a stimulus check. We're going to cut taxes. We're going to do whatever it takes to support the economy. We're going to give you money. We're going to open cash booths on the side of the street. Anybody needs money, come get some. Okay, any of those things will create bounces in the market, and they are to be shorted. So the game is short the damn bounces. Top 2 trades we're considering today, Splunk and Zoom. The rest of the stuff, guys, is self-explanatory. We're not going to spend time talking about it. Bounce, buy puts, drops, collect gains. Very simple stuff. In the casual suspects. Next market move, again, we're expecting a move 3 today. So far, we got a bit of a gap down this morning. Expect that gap to widen at the open, bounce. That's where you command buy puts, drop, collect gains, bounce, collect, get in the position again, drop, collect money. And you can do this pretty much all day. Now, be careful because at one point, we could just go for like a 100-point drop within minutes. It's going to be intense. It's going to be insane. Just position for it. If you don't have a day trading account, definitely don't attempt this. Just buy the position and hold and stay to it and manage it by adding on the bounces. The sequence right now is 7-2, 7-3. Basically, bulls and bears are fighting. But with this type of VIX environment, as I pointed out yesterday, guys, this 20-30 trading range move on the VIX does not spell any positiveness for the market. The VIX is going to go through the roof and the market is going to crash, guys. So against the gap down, that's what we kept talking in the last few videos. Nothing has changed, guys, despite of all the bullish action. Look where we are on S&P. We cannot break this gap higher, okay? So the next move is lower. We are going to go for a retest of 28.53. Now, as far as the levels to observe for the next 72 hours, so the first level, 29.81. This is where it can easily end up today. And right around here, 29.73, 29.81. Tomorrow, we could be opening at 28.53 or 28.29. And if we open the air, then, guys, by Monday, we could be at 2,500. Did you say 2,500 on S&P, Leonardo? Jesus Christ. Oh, I can't wait for the market to open. Let's go. Okay, so levels, these were the levels from yesterday. Pretty much they have not changed despite of the market moving higher. Just after the bullish move yesterday, the clock has been reversed and everybody all of a sudden, no, hey, buy the dip. Okay, they're going to get crushed. You know, all these Wall Street analysts, a bunch of them fixing to lose their jobs, guys. Actually, I'm going to devote a separate video to that. It's coming out in the next 72 hours. Splunk, focus on this trade, guys. Horrible earnings report, guys. The worst part of the report is the guidance. You don't buy stocks that give you poor guidance looking into the future. So slashing guidance, losing money. I mean, everything that could have gone wrong with this earnings report did. And so initially, the reaction is the way it should be, but then they start buying it. This could be a huge opportunity today. Especially historically, no, Splunk has not traded much above that 156, 160 level in the history period. So anytime it runs up to this 155, 166, this red dot represents your entry. These dots right here, 138 and 130, like this level of 131, 133, those are your exits to collect profits. So target this move today, guys. Zoom. This one is tricky. This one actually, awesome report, but expect some profit taken. Early, I sent out the message in the group. I don't remember, like 6 in the morning, saying, hey, first we want to buy calls and then we want to buy puts. It appears that the pressure is going to be on this stock to probably drop initially. So we're switching this call instead of, ultimately, we're going to end up with calls on Zoom, especially if the market is dropping. Zoom, remember the correlation I've showed you guys last week. So you basically want to initially buy Zoom puts and then reverse them into calls. That's the trade on Zoom. So we're targeting calls right at the open. When it hits a level of 98, we're expecting some buying to start happening there, and it's going to reverse and possibly finish between 107 and 115 area, but expect to bounce basically in the Zoom by the end of the day. March 4th, yesterday, Wednesday, guys, it was a move 7. Notably about this move 7, the magnitude of the move expands, and if the magnitude of the move keeps expanding, guys, this is a setup for a 2,000-point drop in the Dow, potentially at the open tomorrow. So buy the hell out of the puts. This is how the move looked yesterday. 2-day sequence is 2-7. This is how the 2-7 looks right here on the 2-day. 5-day sequence, 3-4-7. 2-7, guys, not healthy. Not a healthy market. If you take a closer look at this 5-day sequence, you got nothing but top, 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 top. You got quadra top against the gap down. Huge move lower is coming, guys. It could look like this if you're looking at your screen on Saturday when you're reviewing the last couple of days. So, you know, today and tomorrow, guys, could look like this, okay? And Monday could even look worse. So, damn it. That's some of you going to make some money. I'm excited for you guys. So, VIX, guys, this is the most amazing thing, okay? So, the market moves up 1,100 points, and VIX can't even drop under 30. This is unheard of. This is beyond anything we have seen in the markets. The market moves 1,100 points higher. VIX cannot drop below 30. I rest my case with this final statement. Trade like a rock star. I'll catch you guys in the next trade soon. Let's rock. Let's trade.